Hello, people. Oh my god, I'm recording. This is my standard line. I'm recording after so long, though I would have recorded just like 2 days ago, but still, it feels like so long. And anyway, I'm sitting, beneath this tree in Maritpalli, this place in Hyderabad, Sikandrabad. So it feels so nice, and I've just got back from work, so that's why I look so tired. But yeah, but people, of late I've been watching a lot of movies on Netflix. One of them being even Telugu movies, Japanese shows, and this Tamil films and all. But this one Telugu film called Manmadudu, starring Nagarjuna and Rakul Preet Singh, among others. So it's like Manmadudu, I would give it a 3-star rating because I think it's a kind of film that you should watch when you are very bored in life. But I'll say this, yeah, that to a large extent, Nagarjuna, the actor, he knows the pulse of the audience. So with regard to so many of his films, it's they're intelligent, they, because otherwise certain script writers, though, they like defy all logic and go into another realm altogether. But Manmadudu is not like that. So yeah, it's Rakul Preet Singh is of course the eye candy of the film. So yeah, on the whole, 3-star rating. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.